Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we'll be looking at the dollar CAD. Now this is actually a very interesting configuration because the dollar CAD has been on a very strong downtrend, especially since the start of June, right? But I just want to show you guys that really on the 4 hour there could also be a small opportunity. On the 1 hour there could be a small opportunity to play a short-term push lower. Okay, we know that the dollar CAD on the 4 hour, what I have here is the 4 hour chart. Dollar CAD made a high, pushed all the way down to the low over here as well. And every time, we know the characteristics of the dollar CAD is that every time it makes a low, right, it tends to test the low one more time before a short-term bounce. So what we can expect is for price to make another low, test the same low one more time for a short-term bounce, and possibly form a double bottom pattern. Right, we see this price action happening many times, right? In August, touched the low, came back down to touch the low again, forming the double bottom pattern. All right, and then over here one more time it touched the low, came back down. All right, tested the low before a short-term bounce. Right, even over here, right, there was a low. Okay, it came back down, tested the low one more time before a small bounce. Okay, so this is one unique characteristic of the dollar CAD. So very quickly, let me just put in the levels. I can put a support level over here. Alright, and then let's go down to the 1 hour. I just want to show you guys. Okay, so the 1 hour, okay, this can be our short-term target, so to say, right? Our short-term intraday target. Alright, we know that price is in a clear downtrend because if I were to draw the trend line, okay, something like that, we see price holding below the trend line once, twice, second, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, okay, and it's pushing lower. Okay, so with price really making its move, all right, I'm just going to take a retracement from the recent high to this recent low. Okay, we really want to zoom in, open all Fibonacci ratios. We see that price is reacting at the 38, okay. The 38, we can have a resistance at the 38 level. Okay, and if anything, let me just highlight the 38, and we can actually play a push down towards the recent swing low. Alright, so I'm just going to zoom in so it's easier for you guys to see. Price is below moving average. Price is also below a descending trend line resistance. So for these two factors, even on the longer term, daily and the 4 hour, we are actually bearish. So let's not play against the major trend. Alright, so what I can do is I can actually have a sell entry here waiting for price to break below this level. Alright, this will be my stop loss. Okay, this will be my stop loss. Alright, I will back it up a bit just to give it a bit more room to breathe. Alright, and this will be my take profit. Okay, so it seems like this is a pretty nice, pretty sweet intraday trade. Alright, if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen really fast. Okay, if it doesn't happen, if price breaks above the stop loss and closes above, alright, then price, our bearish idea would be wrong, okay, because price will have broken above the moving average resistance 1, it will have broken above the descending trendline resistance 2, and it will have also broken above our graphical resistance 3. Alright, so if price it really goes higher, alright, then our bearish idea is wrong. Okay, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day on dollar CAD. I hope this short and quick analysis has been a good and useful one for you guys. Alright, and as always, try to practice your own analysis before looking at mine. Alright, and that is how you guys will get better. Until the next time, I'll catch you guys again. Take care.